Okay, Sagittarius. Okay, I got a microwave message and I did post that video before I post this one. And when I get a microwave message, that means my microwave went off. My other apartment came with a microwave. So when I got this microwave and I started getting magic coming in, that's really the only way I can explain it. That is part of the magic that comes with me. So let's go. I am a psychic medium. I go by what I see. I do get downloads and channel, but my number is 3, right? So what is double O? It's you are the creator of your new beginnings. Remind you that you are the creator of your own destiny. And I just post that video if you want to see it. The microwave started going off when I sat down. And I do get different feelings and downloads around Christmas time and my birthday, right? Our birthday. And I get special messages. But the messages I get from descendants are usually every 3 years. That's why 3 is my number. But lately, with the microwave, who knows? Because sometimes that microwave go off more than once. And I promise you, haven't been off in a while. Okay? What you believe with this Pisces. This the white microwave message. You have high self-esteem. You feel cheerful and joyful, and you're realizing your dreams. And that's where Spirit wants you to be. You're moving forward. And you're not talking about it, but you could feel it. See? You got feelings, chakra. Feel. I hope y'all can see that. Feel. That orange. Energy. That was represent orange. You probably need to be more organized. When it comes to your new beginning. Maybe you need to write more things down or manifest by making a business portfolio. Or say you want to take a trip, you need to plan for it. Like I said, I want to go see the whales in California. So that's going to be my project, my road trip, and I'm going to record it. Fear of the unknown, yeah. You're going to take risk because you understand that making mistakes make you a better person. So you could be inexperienced when it comes to whatever new things you're doing. It's something you don't know, and that's a good thing. See? You like the challenge. You need to take that challenge. Yeah, so you can get your gifts. Let's do this. So you're not afraid of failing. Because in order for you to, and I read these in books, in order for you have to learn how to take risks if you want to be successful in life. And believe me, that's what I've been doing. I've been taking a lot of risks. Okay? Even when it comes to my spiritual vacations. Because, baby. Yeah, you about to team up. Probably with your spiritual guidance. Collaborate with people. You about to learn and study. What I said, detail. You need to be in more detail for your goals. Yeah. It's going to be forceful. You're going to have a lack of self-control. You might feel powerless. You might feel like you're being blocked by obstacles. There you go. But you like the challenge. Yeah. You're using your intuition. Honey. It's going to be forceful for you to study and get on it. You're going to have to take this challenge if you want prosperity and growth. And some of us know that. I'm not supposed to play with you today. So, I didn't plan to make this injury too long. I just know it's a message I want to get out. Or something, the spirit is telling me something. Let's go. I just did a video, there's no respect without fear. When this microwave just went off when I laid in the bed. Like, what the hell? Remembrance. Provides us with the valuable information and tool to flow gracefully within in this life. See, that microwave ain't came back on. Because sometimes that's not the first time I open and close the door and that thing just kept going and then it shut off on its own. Ever since I've been here for 5 years. And it just started doing that 3 years ago. No, it's been 4. About 3 years I realized I'm a psychic. But I was born a psychic now that I think back to things. And people thought I was weird and used to run from me. Or back up with their eyes like they seen a fucking ghost. Because sometimes I say things and don't know why I'm saying it. And I still do that. When I went to orientation, a Leo, he came up to me. He was Jamaican. Or he's from Nigeria. Sorry. And he said his wife is pregnant. And my instincts kicked in. I say, you think you have a Sagittarius? I just said it. And I don't know, sometimes I say it in weird ways. He said, I already have a daughter and she's a baby. That's a Sagittarius. And he's married to a Virgo. And he showed me they pictures. Beautiful fucking family. I said, she looked like a cookie, Sagittarius. She was so cute and plump. And, yeah, it's about to be a change. You about to put your magnificence out into the world. Yeah, I'm about to plan my vacation now. Yes. Intuition for prosperity and growth. For universal love. Let's do this. So you get your divine masculine. Or you're going to be in your divine masculine energy for remembrance. That you can do things on your own. Shit, I might go to California and like it and might wind up moving out there. Who knows? But I heard it's kind of rough out there. But I'm going to a part that should be nice. I should go through those hard areas. Because I really do want to see the whales. I might start crying, y'all. I've been watching whales for a long time. I think they are so beautiful. And they are so sweet. Like, how something so big be so sweet? Like, what the hell? It's so beautiful. Prosperity, yeah. Meow, 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 meow. I don't know, intuition. Let's see, one more. Yeah, earth energy. You about to get a gift from the earth, from the universe. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You moving on because these people are emotionally unavailable. You about to be in a honeymoon stage, probably with yourself, or you gonna catch a plane or something. Someone else is getting in the middle of this relationship. So earth don't have to be, it doesn't have to be an earth sign. It could just be someone, that could be relationships, or the concrete, or what's stable in your life with that earth. Someone was getting in the middle of it, and now that you have completely stopped caring, right? Or maybe Spirit gave you completely all the answers that you deserve to know. Just like when you go to court, there's witnesses and all kinds of shit, because you do have the right to know what's going on in your life. So I don't know why people think that tarot is a bad thing unless they live in a shitty life. Yeah, fire in reverse. You got a fire sign that's letting someone else come in the middle of y'all relationship, in the earth sign of what they could have been. Because these people are emotionally unavailable. So to me, for this earth sign to come out, that means this earth and fire sign was probably compatible for you. And I feel like it's a yes. They probably was. Honey. I don't know if you can see them cards. Because I don't know if my tablet light is low. You about to start a new cycle. Because to me, all these people, like you said, like you need to travel somewhere or go somewhere you've never been before. But you need to be cautious but you're not going to have to be, because love spells came in reverse. And nothing serious. So I feel like that's what's going to really bring you out of being around these narcissists. Because you're not confused about your sexuality. So some of y'all probably was going to give this person a chance. But it's not that they confused about their sexuality. Let this resonate. They just greedy. And it's pretty disgusting. But it's all good. Because it's better them than you. Right, friend? If I get another energy feeling, I'll let you know.